A very big thank you to the CUSIMAX team for very kindly sending out to us this new toaster to try. This is a 2-slot stainless steel finish toaster. It has a lot of really great features. It has a cool touch even after toasting, which is really great if you've got little hands in the kitchen. The slots are nice and wide, so they're perfect for thicker toast, crumpets and bagels and croissants, and all your favourite pastries as well. It has a lift up feature as well, so if you do toast smaller items like croissants, you can pop them up and see really easily. It has 7 browning levels as well, perfect for all toast lovers, so you're always going to get the perfect toast. It has a defrost, reheat and cancel button as well, all really nicely lit up with LEDs so you know what you're pressing. And to keep it nice and tidy, it has a removable crumb tray as well to keep it nice and clean. This is a really nice stainless steel, high quality, really attractive toaster. Going to be absolutely perfect in your kitchen. And thank you so much again for the team for very kindly sending that out to us.